Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss how you can install SamacSys library loader and can take advantage of this loader. Now, you may have seen when you search components in manufacturer's part search like this, and if you want to place a component whose this IC sign is grayed out, and if you try to place it by right clicking on it, you can see this place option and download as file library. Both of these options are grayed out. It means you simply cannot place this item in your schematic, or you simply cannot add this to your schematic. So in this situation, library loader is a very good solution, and if you install it, you will be able to place almost all components from reputable manufacturers without any issue. But how to install this loader? To install it, first go to Google and type component search engine and click on this first website. And what you have to do is first register in this website by clicking on this register button, blue button, and I have already registered, so I am not going to register again. I am just skipping that. Now click on this Altium logo and click on this blue button to download this Altium loader file, which I have already downloaded, so I am not going to download it again. The file is already downloaded here and it is a zip file, so you have to unzip it first anywhere. I have already unzipped it and my unzipped file is here. Here is my unzipped file. So double click on it to open, and as you can see there are two files. One is having extension of .ex. What you have to do is just rename it and change its extension as .exe. Just right click on it and rename, and just press E to make it exe and click on yes. Now it is an executable file. So first let me close Altium and now double click on it to run this exe file. Click on next, click on OK, and now the loader is installed and this website will open, but you do not have to do anything, just close it. Now we have to relaunch Altium again. So it is launched. Now just open this schematic sheet. Now if you click on file, as you can see there is a new icon, symbols, footprints and 3D model, and if you click on it, as you can see this window popped up. So what you have to do here is first click on this gear icon and then enter your email address and your password that you have already used for registration in your previous website, and then click on login. And after that click on this IC symbol. Now it is ready to go. We can search almost any component, but before searching a component, one small tip that I want to give: always try to get exact part number from reputed manufacturers to get success while searching. Now if you know the component that you are aiming to use is not in this loader's database, then don't panic. What you can do is find a part number of a component from a reputable manufacturer whose footprint and all other specification like say pin mapping or mechanical dimensions, everything matches with the component that you originally wanted to use. For example, if I search a 9-pin 2.54 mm header like this, and if I click search, you can see nothing shows up. But if I search Google, and type the same thing, and if I click on the first item, as you can see, I have got a specific part number from a reputable manufacturer. And as these 2.54 mm page headers have very similar footprints, so we can use this particular part number to search. So we are copying that part number and just paste it and search. And you can see we got this result, and also those components having two Ys are having both footprints and 3D model as well. So if I place it, I am not only getting the footprint, rather I am also can get the view of its 3D model as well. So to place it, just click on add to design, and it will take some time to load. And it is creating its footprint. So our schematic symbol is loaded, and it is located bottom left corner of the schematic sheet, and you can place it anywhere. And if you want to see its footprint on a PCB, first we have to add a PCB board. So we are going to add a PCB to our project. So this is our PCB, and we have to save it first. Now we are going to update this schematic symbol to our PCB board. Now as you can see, our footprint is here on our PCB, and as I have said, this schematic symbol is also having its 3D model as well. So you can see its 3D model by hitting 3 on your keyboard like this. As you can see, we can see this header in 3D as well. So this is how we install SamacSys library. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.